Okie dokie, so today we're setting this derivative right here equal to 0. We found a prime for this problem, so now I want to set that derivative equal to 0. Remember, so this equation represents the changing slope of a line, and we're looking for where that slope goes from increasing to decreasing, because we want an increasing amount of area, and then it's going to go to a decreasing amount of area, and right where that point is, where the tangent line equals 0, is going to be our max point. So, to set it equal to 0, we're just going to take a prime, write it equal to 0. I'm going to say that equals 2 times the square root of 25 minus x squared plus negative 2x squared over over 25, excuse me, the square root of 25 minus excuse me, x squared. So I switched that to a square root as well. So now what I'm going to do is just add this to this side. So I'm going to get, and I'll do it over here, so 2x squared over the square root of 25 minus x squared equals 2 times the square root of 25 minus x squared over 1. This is important because to set them equal to each other, I'm just going to cross multiply here. So I'm going to get equals a 2x squared on this side. I'm going to have 2 times. Now if we take these and multiply them together, because it's the same, we're just going to get 25 minus x squared, which is fantastic because now we can start to do things with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply out this 2. So we get 50 minus 2x squared equals 2x squared. So I'm going to add this to x, so I get 4x squared equals 50. Take 50 divided by 4. That's not an even number. I'm going to get 25 halves. Because 50 divided by 2 is 25, but I'm going to have 25 halves left over. And then I take x squared. So take the square root of that. So that's 5 over root 2. So go in there, 5 over root 2 equals x, because we just took the square root of it. And so that's our number. And that's about 3.536 is that number. But that's how we would set the derivative equal to 0 and get an answer. The trick to this is moving it over and cross multiplying. After you do that, then it's kind of pretty much algebra and moving things around till you get down to your single answer. Hope that was helpful.